when you look at the US, there are no specific PFAS restrictions or regulations at the federal level. But the EPA has issued a PFAS strategic roadmap. And what they're doing is they're publishing a national strategy, which they've published, and I've linked for you. They're also working on increasing their review process and filing for a quicker, more robust review process to identify and restrict PFAS. That's still ongoing. They're reviewing their existing PFAS list of 12,000 chemicals, working with industry to get information on that. And they're enhancing the PFAS reporting under the toxics release inventory. We don't know exactly what that's going to look like. They're doing a lot of research right now with industry to decide which substances they want to include in that. And then they're going to finalize new PFAS reporting under the TSA Section 8. Section 8 has to do with just financial reporting more than anything, I think. So it does. You do have to report the substances present, but then you have to report some other information as well. All right. So we don't know exactly what that kind of reporting is going to look like. They're still out on that, but you can track that on their website. Now, as far as state level PFAS actions, there's no specific regulations directed at consumer electronic products right now in any U.S. states. However, 20 states have enacted some kind of standards or limits on PFAS substances within drinking water as of March 1st, with 6 additional states had pending drinking water standards. But no state has taken action to restrict PFAS as a group, but rather they're doing it on a substance by substance basis. Right? Whichever PFAS they believe might be present, they're restricting those. So as a result, different states are restricting different substances and are providing different levels as well. So one state might set their limit at 3 parts per million and the other will set it at 100 parts per million. So there is no consistency state by state in what's going on there. So hopefully by the time they reach the point where they're restricting it at the product level, they'll have some kind of coordination in that. Now, California and Washington are also working to move that into cosmetics. 6 other states are looking to follow. So we're seeing the states start to take larger actions. And so we need to track that to make sure that we don't get caught from surprise on the state side. I do know that California has been, over the last year, adding a lot of different PFAS compounds to the Prop 65 list, including PFOS, PFOA, PFDA, et cetera. So as Prop 65 in California move forward with that, they might be setting a tone for these same substances to be restricted elsewhere in the U.S.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.